So, hello guys. So, it's 1 month since I'm not joining beauty pageant because I undergo surgery. Nagpa-breast augmentation ako kay Doc George Ferrer. Sobrang highly recommended siya guys. Sobrang ganda ng result. As of now, 1 month pa lang siya. Pero pinayagan ako ni Doc mag-pageant. Dahil I really want to pageant na talaga and I'm hoping from the best. It's 1 AM na po ng madaling araw ngayon. Umalis kami papuntang pageant. So, pray for me guys and I hope ngumiti ang langit sa akin for today's video. So, see you later. So, I'm here in Candon City. Good morning, Candon City Arena. Tara! Dito pala kami sa Ilocos Sur, mas malapit lang siya and here in Candon City Arena. I love it. So, kagigising ko lang, medyo messy pa. So, nauna na po siya. Natatay daw po siya. Away! So, I think kami po ang Miss Early Bird for today's video. It's 5:41, almost 6 AM. Umalis kami ng 1 AM. So, we will see later kung sinong next darating and kung ano na ang mga kaganapan. Bye!
Ba't natutulog ka? Tama na yan. Tigilan mo na yan.
So, ang candidate number 2 is Miss Yang La Victoria. Ate Yang, siya pong number 2. Ay, award. Gusto niya akong award. Sino kasama mo?
Wala akong kasama. Nakikita ka ba?
Akala ko sila Mikoy.
Siyang ba to?
Bagay
mo yung kulay mo, Ning.
Thank you, na.
Kaya lagi ang title. O, ngayon first ka lang muna, ha?
Thank you, na. Salamat, na.
Hi guys, so it's 8 AM I think. So, nami-makeup na kami for our photo shoot. Tama ba mo? 8:10 to be exact. To be exact by Mima Sar, 8:10 AM. So, magmi-makeup lang kami for the early photo shoot for today's video. See you later. Hi guys. So, andito na po si Ate Juliana. Ma'am Shiri. Opa. At
Meron akong promise.
Oh.
Dahil nakikita ko bakit nagpapagsipan.
Oh, hello, sir. Thank you, ma. So, ang unang good news for today's video. Thank you, Mami Juliana.
Anong clothing line?
Kidensyo yun eh.
Oo nga.
Growth.
Growth clothing line. Ayan.
Thank you. Hello guys. So this is my final look for today's photo shoot. So guys, guess what? Sino ang kalaban ko na sobrang fan niya ako? So let's meet the Drag Ben Season 2 Superstar or candidate El Tsukayo, Miss Russian Fox. Hi mom. Diba? Talagang nakikita ko na siya sa mga pageant. Ma, nag-vlog ako.
Nag-vlog ka ba?
Oo.
Ay, hello! Putay na, ako, nakaring ko yung maganda. Yan, ko yan. Tangina na.
So, alam niyo ba guys, dati ko pa siya kilala. Sa mga bata pa ako
Si Karen,
nagpo-contest.
pag nagko-contest ako ng gaya dati sa
Aleli lang ako.
Ayan, sumasama-sama sila.
Diba?
Tapos, mga chismosa. Ngayon, tangan mo. Ayan na.
Pero look at her now, drag din superstar. So, sana makita pa natin siya soon sa mga malalaking drag
Yes, at
pageant.
see you, may mga pasabog pa. Susunod na. Eto na. Eto na.
I can't wait to see it.
Yes, wait, Manila.
Ay, love it. Thank you, ma. Mag-makeup lang siya kasi kailangan niya na mag-makeup. And Mami Dimple. Hi, Mami. Pa. Fresh. So, ayun lang guys. Sobrang na-fun lang ako kasi dati talaga aleli ako ni Mami Donnie nung nagagaya-gaya siya. Tapos ngayon, nagpa-pageant na siya. Sa mga drag queen, sobrang sikat na siya. And ngayon, kalaban ko ulit siya dito sa Ilocos Sur IP. So, malayo na naman yung pageants. This is my comeback after 1 month of my transformation for myself by Doc George Ferrer sa Quezon City. And ayun, God, I'm hoping for the best. And sana maging maganda yung result. And pag-pray na ako, guys. And see you later for my outfit for my pictorial and for the looks for coronation night. So here our outfit and makeup look for today. Team Aries Eusebio with Ate Billy. Loves it.
Hello.
Ay, dahil tirik ang araw. Ang tawag dito, modeling. Modeling.
Ginit, Mama.
Back 360. Modeling. OMG, ang init. So, that is what we call Survivor Philippines. Mag-makeup ka sa tirik ng araw at maglakad ka. Kapag hindi ka pinagpawisan ng kahit isa, ikaw ang mananalo.
Ay, dahil.
Ay, dahil. So, may chance ba tayo manalo kapag wala tayong pawis? Ay, dahil. So, dahil ang ganda. Grabe. O, ang shala dito. OMG. Hi guys, good morning! Shout out! So, kagigising ko lang po after namin mag-rehearsal, pero I think yung tulog ko hindi siya ganun ka-perfect, pero it's okay na magbabawi na lang ako later, and then mag-prepare na ako, mag-aayos na kami ni Mima Sor ko, ni Mami Aries. Mima Sor! Ay, ayaw niya tumingin, so snappers po siya. So, mag-aayos na po kami, mag-yellow na kami. And then, ayun, nalaban na. Again nga, I'm hoping for the best and pray for me, God. Sana maging maganda yung result ng aking comeback with the new version of Carl Montesilia. Tanda. Manila. Thank you! Bye! So guys, maya mag-i-start na po ang pageant. So early po kami nag-bias dahil I'm your candidate number 2. And shout out to Mami Mirror for my hair. Oh, loves it. Ang lakas Monica. I really love this hair for today's video. So, see you later. This is my final look. So, binalik ko po yung dad kong costume.
Mama Mary.
Bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamastan. May dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Walang imik, di mabanggit na sa'king isipin.
So guys, this is my white top with denim. High class fashion, kumbaga, tapos dito na kami mag-pro-production. So, I think i-release ko na ang lahat later. So, watch out.
Ako'y papalarin na ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman.
So guys, it's swimsuit competition na po. Ang team namin is may pakit sila, tapos red wine pill. So, this is one of my favorite segments. Charis! Bye!
Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa ang iyong damdamin.
So guys, this is my new gown. So ganda-ganda ako for my long. So see you later for the Bardagulan of Long Gown competition. Siya ka ng pindot. Pero, see you. Sana po palatin tayo ngayong gabi.
Buhay mong muli ang takbo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Ang buhay ko muli nag-iba na puno ng saya.
So guys, my new change gown. As a above, as a porn star. So, awarding na po guys. Sana po pala rin tayo for today's video. Bye!
The first to make it to the final 5 is candidate number 5. Candidate number 9. Namita Diada. Candidate number 12. Patricia Bayumo. Yes. Candidate number 3. Miss Karen Montesino. Last and final spot to complete our 5 finalists is for you. Candidate number 13. Alright, congratulations that you made it to the top 5. For those who didn't make it, it's okay guys. We want to see you next year for the next Miss Candon 2025. This time, our fourth runner-up is you, candidate number 13, Miss Juliana Piraskova Segovia. To present the runner-up, candidate number 5. Third runner-up is candidate number 5. Our third runner-up will receive 15,000 pesos, sash, cash, and teddy bear, plus future products, and of course, to present number 12, Patricia Bayumo. Candidate number 12 will receive 30,000 pesos, and to present the award, call in Miss Kelly Grand Ramos, Christian De Guia, SPM Joan Valdez, Mr. Leonard. Alright. Dito kayo sa at me, pa-double check daw tayo because Inday and Donut, ang i-announce ngayon is the first runner-up. Ang matitirang girl, siya ang ating Miss Gay Candon 2024. Okay, this chef is ating first runner-up who received 50,000 pesos. Wow. And the grand winner of ating Miss Gay Candon 2024 will take home 70,000 pesos. Oh my God, my God. The first runner-up is candidate number 3, which means candidate number 9 is Miss Candon 2024. Candidate number 3 is the first runner-up. Ang galing ni Hinday. Sa'yo talaga diretso, no? Para mabilisan, di ba? Candidate number 9 is Miss Gay Candon 2024. Alright, guys, again, congratulations to wow. Okay, ang additional prizes pala from Beauty Turn is 25,000, tama? 1,000 richer, wow. Mabuhay! Bye-bye!
Hi guys! We made it! Hi everyone! So, ayan na po. Tapos na yung pageant and I'm landed as first runner-up for my biggest comeback for the new version of me. So, thanks God, hindi nyo po ako pinabayaan. And sobrang grateful and saya ko po today. And I hope marami pa pong blessings ang ipagkaloob sa atin si Papa God. And thank you dear God for this wonderful journey for the comeback after almost 1 month. Thank you, loves it. So, naiiyak pa ata ako, pero ayan na guys, no matter what, always believe in God and believe in yourself. So, pauwi na po kami guys, malulubat lang to and then later mag-update ka. So guys, inantok pa ako, wala pa ako sa wisyo. So, kakain kami for today's video. I'm with my Pesi Eunice, so in-import niya kami. Diba? For the support. At ang yung title, ayan siya. Hi, Dad.
Hello, 95K.
Ay, sana all. Kain kami masarap. Ayun siya.
Saya.
Ay, ayun siya. Ay. So guys, nandito kami sa La Union. Dito kami kakain for today's video.